Welcome back. Now that we are inside of Kindle Create, one of the things that we can do now is we can select a theme that we can use to make our formatting consistent. And so we can click this button that says Theme. And what we're going to do is we're going to select a theme. Now, by default, Kindle Create uses the modern theme, and that's the one that we are using right now. And we can also select the classic theme. And when we do that, we can click this button that says Select. Now, as of the creation of this video, there are also two other themes that we can look to see if there is something that we like. We can choose the Cosmos theme. And also, we can choose the Amour theme. Now, once you've selected the theme that you feel reflects the look that you want for your Kindle book, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.